Hello everyone, your Revit operator is back. So in this live tutorial, I will show you how to modify storefront corner mullion in Revit. And the second one is how to convert the mass to the facade using uh, the curtain system. Okay, so before we go straight to the tutorial, I would like to ask to everyone that please visit my channel and don't forget to like, share, or subscribe. So, especially everyone updated once I make a video tutorial like this. Okay, so I have more tutorials in this channel. So if everyone interested, you can visit this channel. Okay, so now here I am in Revit. So first thing I will do is to set the units of this project, okay, or this tutorial. So I set this into meters, okay. So waiting for a moment. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I just go into wall, okay, and I just use the storefront the that is the subject for now. Okay, I just duplicate this into a store brand, okay, custom, okay. So now what I'm going to do is just draw by using the line, okay. So I just draw a storefront L shape in this top view. So now I go into 3D and I just simply use the shape to rotate like this, okay. So if you will see, there is some gap in this, or this is not the proper corner, okay. So but before we modify it, you need to change this by clicking this, okay. Change wall orientation, including this one, okay. So now go back to 3D. So how can I arrange this problem, okay. I just change it into realistic, okay. I just simply hit the tab to select, okay, and hit the tab, hold the control shift, okay, unlock this and this one also, including this other part, okay. You just simply hit the tab twice, so you can select it like this, okay. you need to unlock first before you can modify this one. Okay, so now what I'm going to do next, what if you finish to unlock all the corners here, okay, you can select it this both, okay, hit the tab, okay, and now if you go into the properties, you can modify it by searching the trapezoid corner mullion. Okay, so this is my choice. Okay, so now you can delete elements. So if you will see, automatically change your corner. So it looks like more better than the previous one. Okay, so that is the steps how to modify the corner of your mullion. Okay, hit the tab twice. Okay, hold the control shift and change it into trapezoid. Okay, delete element. So if you will see, our model is in a proper. Okay, so delete element. So this is the output of modifying the corners of the storefront. This is very important, but before you modify it, at least you make sure that the orientation of your storefront is in the proper also. So that is the procedure how to modify the corner of your mullion project. Okay, you can change it this as you want, the material. Okay, by picking this, go to edit and choose it into, change it into any material you want. Okay, so that is the procedure. Okay, so we are finished in the first live tutorial how to modify, because someone asked me, emailed me to make a tutorial how to modify the corner. So this is the one already. Okay, so we proceed now into the second one. So I hope that it's very clear to each and everyone. So I just delete this DE for the shortcut. So now we go now into the two. Okay, so first thing I will do now is to command API for the shortcut. I just rename it this into 1 and this is the 2. Okay, so now as I mentioned into my thumbnail, okay, from mass to mullion. Sorry, to facade. Okay, so if you want to model some curved facade in Revit, okay, you need to make, or slanting, you make, at least you have mass first. Okay, so I just go into as your markup, mass markup. Okay, so I go to in place mass 1. Okay, for now I just simply draw a rectangle or circle, or I just choose this center ends arc. Okay, I just simply draw a arc 1 here. Okay, for the shortcut, and again to mirror it in the other side. Okay, So now what I'm going to do next is just use the start and the radius, and I just make a design from here. Okay, so for example, this is the entrance. Okay, so now I just go to 3D, control or Z enter, okay, to maximize your model. Okay, so now what I'm going to do next is just pick this, okay, and I just simply go to create form, solid form. So this is the one already. Okay, and now I just simply hit the tab to select all. Okay, and I just go into add profile, and I just simply add one profile in the middle. Okay, like this. Okay, this profile is the control of the curve in the top of your mass. Okay, so now what I'm going to do next is to make some design in the top. Okay, so how can I do that? Okay, I just simply select this point element. Okay, and I just simply, if you hit the space to your keyboard, the axis is automatically changed. So I need this orientation of the axis. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I just simply drag it inside like this. Okay, and I just simply drag it also this one, and even this one. Okay, including this. Okay, and the last one is this. Okay, so now if we will see, we got the shape already. Okay, so how can I make a facade in this part? Okay, in order to do that, okay, you just go outside of the mask. Okay, so now go into masking inside. I just use the curtain system. Okay, curtain system, go to edit, duplicate it, curtain, okay, curtain system. Okay, so that is the tip. Or you always duplicate. Okay, so now what I'm going to do next is just I make none for this, and I just search the 12.5 rectangular mullion 1.5 by 12.5 or 2.5 by 5. Okay, so now I just go in the project browser and choose the families, and I just choose the curtain wall mullion, and here I just choose the last one, duplicate it. Okay, let's say mullion. Okay, once you duplicate this, okay, double click this to modify it. Here, point 2, point 2, change this aluminum to wood. Okay, appearance, pick this and go to appearance. Double click this and search the word here. For example, the birds. Okay, And now I just change this into 1 meter. Apply. And now if I go here into curtain system, okay, don't forget to modify first curtain system, edit, and here you can choose the created one, okay, and I just set this into 6 meters. Apply, okay, and I just simply pick this, okay, and create system, okay, pick this, create system, okay, pick this, create system, okay. So as I have mentioned in the beginning, this is only the mock-up, okay. So what I'm going to do next is to hide the mask for now, okay. Oops. Okay. So now, in order to set the distance for the mullions, okay, go into curtain system, go to edit type, okay, this, let's say this is 3M, hit apply, and hit OK. So that is the procedure how to make or adjust the spacing of your mullion, okay. And now you can change it also here by setting into 3M here, the thickness, okay. So we will see automatically change here, okay. So that is the procedure how to make this gear type of mullion in Revit. So that is the simple procedure how to model it. You need to go into, or you need to create the mock-up as mask before you make the mullion curve, okay. And you can modify it also this, okay. The glass glazing, you can modify it, you can change it also in the properties, okay. The mullion, so here, or it's better you can hit the tab to select only one of these, okay. Here you can change it also into the glass from wood also, let's say door frame. Apply and hit OK. So this is what it looks. So it's up to each and everyone who's modeling this kind of shape, okay. So that is the procedure. So don't forget to like, share, or subscribe to this channel, and see you again in my next tutorial. Have a good day and God bless you all. Bye bye.